Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can use MidJourney to create a logo. Now, before we get started, MidJourney is no longer free. You do need to pay for it, so you need to make sure you have a paid account before you do this. So MidJourney has a lot of flexibility, obviously, in being able to generate all different sorts of designs. So we can get our concept or our image from MidJourney. However, MidJourney is very bad at actually generating text. So we're going to have to use something else to get our text. In that case, I am going to show you how we can just import it into Canva. Now, when we're making a logo, there's a bunch of different prompts out there you can find. I'll include a few links below so you can have some references. But the general structure that seems to work pretty well, at least to start with, is to start with your Imagine prompt. You're going to type in something like for an something. So in this case, it could be, I put in AI robot mascot, but you could put in a lion mascot or something, some type of general reference for what it is that you want. The next thing that we do is we use a secondary prompt, which is going to give us the style. So in this case, I used a simple vector. You could also do a flat vector logo. You could insert any number of secondary commands in here to give the AI how to make the actual image that you're looking for. Now, the last prompt we have here is this double dash. That double dash is going to be the command that we don't want. So in this case, we don't want any shading detail. So this is a very simple three-part command or prompt here, and this is the output we got just from that, which is pretty good. All of these are very doable images for a logo. Now, the primary problem I have with this, of course, is that I usually want something to be transparent. So I just went down here and I amended it, and I went to an AI robot mascot, simple vector, white background, no shading detail. And we see these. So we didn't get the exact same thing. It did generate something different, but somewhat of the same style. So no matter which one we want, okay, we can upscale it by clicking one of these guys. That's the one that I wanted to use. So I went ahead and upscaled it and downloaded it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go over here into Canva. Now with Canva, you do need to have a paid account to be able to do things like, for example, edit the photo and remove the background. I believe those are premium. Some of the other options you have to have a paid account for. If you need to remove the background on an image, then you can go to remove background. I can't remember the website here. There it is. It's remove.bg. So when you go to this website here, you can do it for free. So you just drag and drop your image and it will remove the background for you. But here, I'm just going to go ahead and do this in Canva. So when I click on this, I'm going to go ahead and go to image, edit photo, background remover. And it's going to remove that white background out of there, and you can see that it maintained that bottom little circle that he is standing on. So now my background is transparent. If we want to check that just to make sure, we can just go ahead and put something in the background like this. And there it is. We could see that the background is indeed transparent. Okay, so what I'm going to do is going to go back to white. And I can move my guy around freely. I just chose the 500 by 500 pix, but of course, you need to make the logo the size that you need it for. Now, we don't have any text here. The challenge is we don't actually want to just go into text. We could, of course, go down there and select what works, but there is a shortcut for this. I'm not a very creative person, so I like to see what's already available. We'll just go up to Design Templates, and we're going to type in Logo. So when you go into Logo, we're already going to see all of these available logos here. And we can get some ideas for what kind of text we want to use. So it doesn't really matter. We can pick any logo that we want. What we're going to do is go over here and you can just add a page so we have blank. So let's pick something over here. Just for the heck of it, I'm just going to go ahead and actually select that. So I'm going to grab this right here. I can click on it. And what I can do is just paste it here. Okay. So just determine where you want it. Let's say I'm going to put this off to the side. Okay. And that way I can just type in my text for my logo. All right. So here we can reposition it however we like, how close we want. And of course, if this is the right dimensions of the logo for you, then what you'll be able to do is just go back up here to share, click download, and you can make the entire thing transparent. So it will show up on any background you like, or pick the background that you need for your website. So this is a very, very simple process here for designing a logo, especially if you're putting up an affiliate website and you want to get something done very fast. And again, there are a ton of options, especially if you go through and pick and choose what it is that you want. Of course, you can always substitute in certain things if you wanted to. I could probably do that. For example, okay, I can put that there, and then I could actually probably send backward a couple of times. So in this case, that text is on top and he's slightly behind this. I can add another layer. I can send it backward again. So you could see something like that. So again, I have the image here that I pulled from MidJourney, but then in Canva, I modified the rest and got the design that I want. And then all I have to do is download it out. So I hope that's helpful. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification so that you get notified when new videos like this come out, so you can get access to new information on AI tips and tools that you can use if you're a doer. Thanks for watching.